If you want to enhance your Gmail security by removing old devices that are no longer in use, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your connected devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the Security tab located on the left sidebar. This section contains all the security-related settings for your account. Step 3. Review your devices. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Click on the device you wish to remove. A pop-up will appear with more details about the device, including its last activity. Step 5. Remove the device. In the pop-up, look for the option that says Sign Out or Remove. Click on it to log out the device from your account, ensuring it no longer has access. By following these steps, you can keep your Gmail account secure by managing the devices that have access to it. Regularly reviewing and removing old devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.